So this is lesson number 2 for the Solea por bulerías class, the beginner class. And I'm going to work on the second group of footwork in this class. Hopefully you all got the one from last week, which covered the first group of footwork, and maybe even some of you looked at it and practiced it. If you did, you may have noticed on the YouTube site the videos for lesson 2. However, I took those off because I didn't like them, and I'm reissuing them right now. This is lesson 2, second group of footwork. How does the dance go? There's an entrance. There's a verse of singing. There's the first group of footwork, which we did last week. There's a second verse of singing and a second group of footwork, which we're going to do now. And then there's another verse of singing and then the ending. As I promised, little by little, we'll go through the whole dance so that you will get it all in sequence, because it might seem jumbled right now. We will go through the whole sequence. However, right now, today, we're going to work on footwork, okay? Second group of footwork. This is how it goes. Now, I have to be careful because I keep getting too close to the camera. Okay, that was, you're viewing it as though you're in the audience watching me dance. I will show it to you back and forth both ways. Let's go over it by detail. The first step is this one, which for lack of a name, let's call it the walking step, because you kind of walk a little bit. 1, 2, 3, 4, and 6. Okay, 6 beats. Not 6 times you do the step, but 6 beats. Okay, so that you can see it as you would if you were in class watching me. This is how it goes. With my right foot, toe, heel. Remember the first thing that we learned, probably in the first day of class. Put your toe, the ball of your toe, down. Arch your foot, and then drop your heel down. Basic. That step. You have to do it pronounced. You have to hit with the ball of your foot, let your heel drop. Articulate both sounds, okay? I'll continue. So I'm going toe, drop my heel down, and heel. Toe, drop, heel. Again, I hit my toe, I let my heel drop down, I lift this foot. Now, on my way is over here. This one's kind of hanging there, doesn't know what to do. So this one moves next. I have to lift my foot up and hit with the toe. Drop the heel, heel. Lift, lift. There are 3 components, because when you do the step it has a triplet sound to it, okay? The 3 components. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. It makes a da 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 da. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. Okay, that's the sound it makes. 1, 2, 3. That's not the way we're counting it though. Each time you hit your toe, that is the beat. 6 beats. 1 and A. 2 and A. 3 and 4 and 5 and for the last one 6, boom, that's it. 5 steps and flat. The step consists of 3 components. Lift my foot, Now you need to practice that slowly and clearly the way I did just now. If you do that, you can start, and you feel comfortable and it's right, you can start building up the speed, but only after you feel comfortable that you're doing it automatically and you're not thinking about it. Remember, every time you lift your foot and put your toe down, that's the count. That's the beat, okay? So you do 6 on one side, 6 on the other, actually 6 beats on one side, 6 beats on the other side, okay? 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and 5 and 6. Left side. 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and 5 and 6. Okay, that's 6 and 6. Now we shorten it. We do 3 and 3. 1 and 2 and 4, 5, 6. Hope you can see my feet, okay? 6, 6, 3, 3. You start with the right foot, you start with the left foot. Start again with the right, start again with the left. Doesn't matter which foot you ended on. It matters which foot you start on. We have to do everything on one side, we have to do it on the other side, okay? The arms for that. When I use my right leg, I have my right arm out. When I land a bump, I switch arms. And I start on my left leg and I have my left arm out. Now I'm going to see if I can, you can see me on an angle. My right arm, right leg. 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and 5 and 6. Left. 1 and 2, 3, 4, 5 and 6. Shorts. 3s. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2. When I move my arms from side to side, I'm not just going boom, boom, boom. My shoulders are making the movement happen, okay? My arm follows my shoulder wherever it wants to go, okay? Kind of like when you move a hanger and the sleeves follow, okay? Now, what I'm doing, the arm that I'm not using, for now, since you're still learning, hook it onto your hip. The arm that you are using is not all the way out there in front. It's kind of rounded, not out there, not here, rounded. So I have my arm coming out to my elbow, then it turns, okay? Arm coming out to it, just turns. That's standard, okay? When I hit bum bum, my shoulders move, and I go here. Ultimately, you want it just to look like that, like that, like that, like that. Maybe you can do that. Just, I look over my right shoulder when my right arm is out. I'm looking over my left shoulder when my left arm is out. Not a profile, not profile, angle, angle, angle. Move my shoulder, my right arm comes, my face looks just kind of over this part of my arm, okay? Eventually, but for now, if you don't know what to do with the non-working arm, just hook it to your waist, okay? I'm going to go over that again. Forward, looking at you, and then one time with my back to you. So it's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, I'm changing, and 6. 1, that's really great. If not, just keep it firm. For Luke, you keep it firm. Okay, so we did that. Do it with my back to you, okay? Not here, not there, just here. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and it's changed by then. 1, 2, 3, sorry. 4, 5, 6, 3. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2. Hope you notice that each time I say 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 is when my toe is hitting the ground. I'm going 1, 2. Or you can think of it as 1 and up, 2 and okay. Next step. Next step are all flats. 2 on one side, 1. 2 rights, 2 on 1 and 1. 1, 2, 3. Right, right, left, 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 right. Keep your weight centered. Keep yourself up. 2, 1, 2, 1. 2, 1, 2, 1. Now, we have that step in other dances as well. Depending on the dance, depending on the rhythm that we're working with, the accent can be different. In this dance, the accent is on the second golpe. The second time you put your foot down. The second time. Da, da, da. Da, da, da. Da, da, da. Why? Well, if you're counting, you'll notice that that golpe is landing on the pronounced beat of the compás, of the measure, okay? The measure's in 12, we talked about that. We talked about how the accent, I hope you remember, we talked about how the accents go on 3, 6, 8, 10, and 12. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. We'll go over that again in the next class. You have 12 beats in the measure, or the compás as we call it in flamenco. In that compás, you're accenting the 3, the 6, the 8, the 10, and the 12. That's like 2 longs, 3 shorts. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. Okay? When we hit those golpes, those flats, we're coming out on gatita. 7, 8, 9, 10, 12. We're hitting on 8 and 10. Because, I don't know if this is maybe too complicated. I'm going to count it for you. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. Next compás. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, and 8, and 9, and 10, 11, 12. The first time you hit is the N. It's the in-between beat. And 8, and, okay? And 8, and 8, and 9, and 10. And 8, and 9, and 10, 11. If the counting's too complicated for you, and sometimes you might find it more not helpful at all, it might just confuse you. If that's the case, just count the, just listen to the rhythm. There's some silent places there where there's a beat, but we're not doing anything. Do it again. I'll clap it. Where those claps are empty spaces. You're not going to clap, but I'm clapping just to show you that there's a dead space there, okay? One more time. Ba, 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 ba. One on each side. And then just flat, flat. From the back, it's going to go on your right. Okay. I hope you can hear the dead spaces. Okay. Let's see. For our arms for that, we'll just keep them right here. Let's keep them right here. Okay? So everything up till there, including that. Okay? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. 1, 2, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Left, right foot. Big walks. Make a statement, okay? Tell the audience something. I have to back up so you can see me. Right foot. 1, 2, 3. Left foot to turn with. 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Right, left, right, left. Okay, from the back. And I'll have a lot of space, okay? 1, 2, 3. My head goes, starting me off to go in the direction that I want to turn in. 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. 7, 8, 9, 10. Right, left, right. Every once in a while I notice that either my feet are too close to the camera or something happens that makes me stop it, so I'm going to stop it. I'm going to do the whole sequence now, again, as I did in the beginning, really slow, facing you, and then one time with my back to you, okay? My focus. When you turn, I'm already starting to go there with my head. All right, with my back to you.